you today are 4 very practical and tactical action steps that you can take, or you can help your clients take, to create their own data repository where they can apply an analysis tool and a measuring tool to glean some insight and actually measure ongoing programs that will ultimately deliver the ROI. Okay? So, we'll take these steps one at a time. The first thing is building a data repository. Now, companies can partner with their own IT teams to develop OLAP or any kind of marketing repository that will enable the I'm going to call it sucking in of data into one major repository. And this data can come from any source. It can come from your CRM. Don't forget financial data because you want to understand customer profitability. It could come from Salesforce automation. It can come from service centers. It depends on the objectives of the company, what you want to measure and what you want to understand about your customers. But the singular source of truth, if you will, in terms of a data repository is really what's key for marketers to pull together all those disparate bits of important information scattered throughout the company. Okay, so we have our data mart, and next what we want to do is we want to apply an analyzer, and this can come in the form of business intelligence tools, often offered as software as a service, and everyone knows the value of software as a service these days. It's low risk, low cost, and it really allows you to get into analytics and prove ROI. So software as a service or any kind of data mart or some third-party service provider may provide warehousing and also an analysis tool on top of that to enable you to analyze and glean insight from your customers. Okay, so insight's only as good as the action that's taken, and action is actually taken in the form of campaigns. So once you glean your insight, you use that insight to drive more relevant, more valuable, more effective campaigns. And then you add a dashboard, which is also available. You can purchase dashboard technology fairly inexpensively, just a visualization of data, those types of tools. You can work with, there's actually dashboard service providers, and there's also service providers that host data marts, host analysis tools, and host dashboards all in one solution. So really quite effective from a cost perspective.